Here we have a 69 plate Ford Ranger Wildtrak EcoBlue. Now this vehicle comes with the Ford Raptor style front grille. We do have the LED daytime running headlights, got the white exterior paintwork, wide arch kit as well on this vehicle. You'll also find the 20-inch alloy wheels, got the side steps running along the bottom, making it easier to get in and onto the vehicle. We do have the privacy glass as well at the rear for the rear passengers. Front and rear parking sensors along with a rear reversing camera, got the tow bar at the back. If we take a look at the interior quickly, we do have the roof rails up top. Inside of the back you'll find we have leather seats, got the orange stitching, foldable armrest in the centre and fixed ISO points as well back here. Electric windows on the doors. Same leather seats for the front, with the Wildtrak logo embroidered on each one. Both front seats can be heated and the driver's seat is also electrically adjustable. We do have the automatic lights down there, electric mirrors. Take a seat inside, got the two digital screens either side of the dashboard, multifunctional steering wheel in front of us with the adaptive cruise control on the right, got the phone and volume buttons on the left, main entertainment screen in the centre, plenty of different features on here you'll have seen on the photos. Further down from there you'll find the buttons for the climate control, got the ice cold air conditioning, heated windscreen and also heated seats either side, two 12-volt connectivities, two USB ports, automatic gearbox which does have the 2-wheel and 4-wheel high and low settings, with the manual handbrake, cup holders and finally the armrest just here. That's all I'm going to show you today. If you'd like to find out more, please get in contact or check out the website. This vehicle comes with a fresh service, fresh MOT and next day delivery is available. Thank you for watching.